Welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll talk about the new SEBI rules that has come, how it is affecting the retail investors, how much leverage they will get and with what benefit they will get, and I will tell you about the pledging. So let's get started with the video. So the thing is that before, what happened is the broker keeps some collateral or investors money with their NSE and BSE. That's where they get leverages, and which in turn they give us as our account with which is open with them. So now what is happening is that key now what we'll do, as for example we have some shares, and if we pledge them and we give to the broker for holding, means we'll give the shares to them as collateral to get our margin. So if some dividends comes, so they get the dividend and they transfer us. So what is the problem lies in the that once they get the dividend, they sometimes don't share the dividends with their shareholders, means the one who's holding the shares. Like before Carvey has done this some issue has come before. So now what is the thing has come in the new SEBI rules, that every broker in which we have account, what they'll do, they will put one pledge button, so that the shares which we have in our demat brokers account, if we click on the pledge, then only, that is how, then only the dividend will go in that broker's account, and then they will give us. But okay, but now it will come in our demats account. So otherwise what happened before is that there is no dividend policy, that we have to pledge, means if we have to transfer the shares to the broker's account, as we need some leverage, we have to transfer the account. So what happened is when the dividend comes, it goes into the broker's account, and sometimes brokers forget, before it happened, if broker forget to transfer the dividend to the retailers who have put as a collateral their shares for getting the leverage. So now it has changed from SEBI. So now what we'll do, what the brokers will do, they will put one pledge button, so that if somebody wants to pledge their shares, they can click on it and the share will be transferred to the broker's account, and they can get the leverage from that. Okay, so this is what a new SEBI rule has come. And before, what the thing is, before it was not that way. So it has, the new SEBI rule will definitely help the retail investors this time. Okay, so the rules changes mostly, but this is what a good sign which we are looking in this. SEBI has bought a good new rules. So this is for today. If you like this video, please subscribe, please subscribe, I will get notification of my new videos. Thank you.